always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, we got through Monday. Let's get you ready for Tuesday here. 72, everybody. Right now is the current temperature. 84 was the high today. Near record highs. That's going to continue. Very interesting, though. The temperature's continuing to fall here. 70s, but already 65 in Homestead. And that has to do with how much moisture we have. You step outside, it's very comfortable. Dew points in the low 60s for this time of year is very nice. All right, we're not going to have a huge heat index or a feels like temperature that's going to get out of hand. And that lack of moisture is in all the levels of the atmosphere. There's the center of the high just south of Cuba here, and all we have is this orange depicting the very dry air that you can't make even clouds with. We'll have a very long stretch of dry days. But look at what happens with the dry air as well. So the temperatures tend to get close to the dew points at night, and there you see some low 60s even in Kendall. Will be close to the upper 50s. So this is a layered kind of day. We've been talking about the heat, and it will be hot tomorrow afternoon, but because it's so dry the atmosphere, the temperature range can be huge, and we're going to go from 60 to 90 by tomorrow afternoon. That's how quickly we'll do it. A 30-degree jump for most of us here. So Tuesday through Thursday, surface area of high pressure to our east. That's going to bring in the south to southwest wind. That is the warmest wind we get here in South Florida. It has no component off the water, and so it gets really toasty through the afternoon. We'll continue to see that through the end of the week, and then we turn windy. That's going to be the headline on Friday. We're going to be in the squeeze play ahead of a front, finally one that I can put on the map here into Florida. It's going to get close to us, but as the fronts typically do this time of year, this one's going to weaken. Not much moisture with it, but I think it will eventually bring us some slightly cooler temperatures, so at least we'll knock off a good 5-7 degrees, but we're going to have to wait late weekend and into early next week to really get in on that. Quiet conditions the next 3 days. We'll put Futurecast here into motion, and I'm not going to show you much in the way even of cloud cover. It is going to be very sunny and continuing to see dry conditions. So tomorrow will be between 85 and 90 through the afternoon. Some of us will reach 90. It's just a matter of whether the airport will reach 90. I'm thinking upper 80s right now, so that would keep us away from breaking the all-time record, but we're going to get very close, obviously a degree close to it as we hit 89 through the afternoon, and then mid-80s Wednesday, Thursday with another warm-up on the way. Very gusty winds Friday. Saturday still breezy with highs once again approaching 90 degrees. There's that cool down though by early next week.